Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone, charge it, and back up critical settings. Next, install Button Mapper from the Play Store. This app gives remap options without root. Once done, open the app and grant accessibility permission when prompted. That permission lets the app intercept button events. Also allows screen overlay or notification access if requested, because the app uses these to simulate actions. Make sure you refuse any optional root prompts. This flow works without rooting, and you can proceed to configure buttons immediately. Now you configure the actual remap. In Button Mapper, tap Add Buttons and press the physical volume key so the app recognizes it. Then assign actions. Choose single press, double tap, or long press and pick between launching an app, running a shortcut, controlling media, or sending a key event. Make sure to test each mapping as you set it. Once you assign a function, save it. If you want the buttons swapped, use the invert or swap setting. This step gives precise control over how the phone reacts to each press. Finish by saving and applying your settings, then test the buttons across the lock screen, home screen, and inside apps to confirm behavior. If mappings stop working or only work intermittently, make sure Button Mapper is whitelisted from battery optimization and that accessibility remains enabled. Then reboot the phone. If you need more powerful remaps, like system-level swaps, you can use ADB commands or root the Oneplus 6T. But be cautious. Rooting voids warranties and changes system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.